I got a 2001 Toyota Corolla. I'm gonna be taking the radio out. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know if there's a screw right there, but I'm gonna start removing the radio by using a tool right there. You don't need this radio anymore, so I'm gonna try to pry it up, pop right here. So you can pop right there because we're changing a radio. Pop it like that. It's better than, and then if you got enough gap right there already, you can just pull it out right there. Sometimes they got a hidden screw, that's why I had to be careful about that one. But other than that, pull like that. I'm using one hand, so it just comes straight out. There's no screw, nothing like that. So I got 2 4 Phillip to take out. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Push down, pull out. Simple as that. You will need this bracket to put on a new radio. I'm installing the JVC, so I'm going to put a mic right there for them and then run it this way. I'm going to peel this off. It's old, so you have to be careful. You want to grab one of your flatheads or your tools to pry that out. Right there, and just peel it down like this and run the wire inside like so, and then push it all back, and then run it all the way back over here. Using this is the harness from the radios right there, the JVC. So I'm gonna match all this color up to this wrap TY-8100. And just color the color. So the first thing I'll do, I'm gonna remove the beauty ring right here. Just pull it out. Now you see this? So this is down, facing down right here. So I'm gonna take 2 screws right here out. And as you notice, it's gonna be looking like that. And then you wanna match it like this. Right there, could be right here, but as you can see right here, you want it to be as close as possible. That's pretty far out though. I want it around here, but for some reason, you can see right here, it's kind of tilt a little bit, and it's, I don't know why it's pretty far. See that? But I'm gonna try this first and see how it looks, and always make sure this screw is not too long. If it's got a CD, it can jam that. So let me see. So it's okay. And then you flip it over, same thing. So your left and right won't be confused. See that? Now the main problem I'm seeing right here right now is, I don't know if it's gonna look right or not. Let's go up there. I did wire all this color to color, meaning if it's purple, black, you want to hook it up to purple, black right here. And yellow, red, the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to plug this thing in. That's speaker powers. And then this is up here, so don't worry about it. I'm going to plug the radio in. And also I did have, hey, I need a black tape real quick. So I'm gonna put the mic in because he's got a mic Make sure it's one for the mic, not for the steering wheel control. Some of them are different. It didn't say mic right there, but it should be the mic. And then plug in the antenna adapter, push it in all the way down, because it might interfere with the radio when you push it in. Push that in first and see if it go in. You need to be all the way in, and it's got to see this. What is that called, nipple? This thing. So put like that and just screw it all back in. I think it should be fine, even though it stick out a little bit more, but we'll find out in a second. I did drop a lot of screws.
Missing one screw. Now here it is.
And let's see if the radio come on. Press source. See if it play. Press again. No demo.
Here with the potato salad.
That's good. So now let's see if it's fit right. I'm gonna plug that back in. Right there. Heater vent. Old, so all of these are like ancient. That's what I was worried about right here, but I think it's fine. When I snuck it in, it looked just like that. So it looks perfect, right? What do you think?